Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the computer quiz. Question number 1. Copy text key is. The right answer is option C, Control C. Question number 2. Key for select all text is. The right answer is option A, Control A. Question number 3. Bold text key is. The right answer is option A, Control B. Question number 4. Key to find a phrase. The right option is option C, Control F. Question number 5. Key to center text is. The right answer is option D, Control E. Question number 6. Key to justify text is. The right answer is option B, Control J. Question number 7. Key to save the document or file is. The right option is option D, Control S. Question number 8. Key to print a document. The right answer is option A, Control P. Question number 9. Key to underline selected text. The right answer is option D, Control U. Question number 10. Key to create a heading indent is. The right option is Control C. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for